Hello guys, welcome to this video. You're going to see a few clips of the Evo with the heavy clutch and the big cams inside. We switched to a different clutch, a little bit less heavier clutch at the moment, and we switched back to stock cams, but we're probably gonna stay with stock cams because the car runs very amazing like this. So I hope you enjoy this video and have fun, guys. So guys, the car is on the lift, as you can see right here. I'm just gonna give you a quick walk around what we changed on the car and what we have done. So first of all, as you can see, the hose, the piping everything is black, not blue anymore. We completely changed that, except the water piping from underneath the water cooler. We can't find a right one that's black that fits. We tried a couple ones, but they don't fit. The next thing you can see here is the exhaust. We have it thermo isolated completely, the manifold, the turbo, the downpipe from Thermotech. Shout out goes out to them. Thanks a lot for the job. The intake pipe is different from Evo Works. Thanks as well to them. Really appreciate it. Engine wise, the engine is completely forged now except the crankshaft and the valves. But they don't have to be forged because they hold enough power and they don't break, so we're just gonna leave it. If it works, it works. So the next thing we are gonna talk are the brakes. The brakes are still stock. We just have different brake pads. As you can see right there, I have Pagid RSL 29s on it. We are gonna start on the transmission. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see it deeper what we have forged on the transmission. Transmission is completely stock, just everything is new inside, the synchros and everything, the gears, everything is new. We have the output shaft inside the transmission to the transfer case is reinforced, except that the transmission is pretty stock, I would say. Guys, on the transfer case I have a 1.5 Cusco inside. It's completely forged and everything is new inside. We also have RS gear ratios. We have a billet case right here. A new proper output shaft. Play got set up as well. And that's pretty much everything that has been done on the transfer case as well. As you can see right here, there's no IOIC pump anymore. I switched to a Evo 9 RS diff. I have Evo 9 RS output shafts, I think, I'm not so sure, that fit on the Evo 5 with ABS rings on it. I don't know if they're custom made or not, I don't remember really more. The diff is completely new, just play is set up properly, so it's working as it should. Of course, we also switched on the rear to a RS frame, because otherwise it doesn't work, of course. Maybe with slightly modifications, I don't know, but that's everything we have done on the car. Drivetrain is made by IRC Performance, aka Christian Ribach. Thanks a lot to him. I have also mentioned him on Instagram. Everything you can take a closer look on my Instagram page, Swiss Evo 5. The oil pan is Moroso oil pan currently. I'm gonna change to a race fab track oil pan in the future. We have a little leak right here, as you can see. We are not sure yet if it's the oil pan or the oil pump, but the oil leak is really slightly, just like it's almost nothing. It drops almost no oil. It looks bad, but it's not that bad as it looks like. We're also running a bigger oil cooler than stock. As you can see, I still have no washer tank inside. I have to put a new one back in on the rear. I have it in my home, but I didn't have the time to put it on. We set up the suspension as well. The suspension was rubbing, so I just had to put it higher a little bit. So you could just see where it was rubbing. I put it 5 millimeters every side up, and that's pretty much everything that has been done on the car. The next video, as you guys are probably gonna see, is on the track. We are taking the car on the track. I just checked everything on the car if everything is fine, but there were no issues at all on the car, so we are going to be pumped for the track. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope you enjoy the future videos that I have recorded for you guys. So thanks for watching, and see you guys the next time.